Walking down the street, Hollywood and fine, looking for a better way to pass the time. At the bus stop, a homeless man put out his fist, tried to shake his hand, but he grabbed my